Alright, back with a super quick video. I'm going to show you how to do this bell mod. I got my bell from eBay. It's like a spur cycle ripoff, but yeah, it should work with both bells. First, undo the screws just anti-clockwise, and then the cap comes off as well. And that's the Z apart. Next, take this little rubber thing off. Don't lose it. I'm going to show you how to do it with the original screw. Next, just get a cap and drill it with a 4mm drill bit. Then you're going to need some spacers. These are just valve washers. You can use normal washers as well. Put the bolt through the cap. You might need to give it a little extra push. Drop the washer in. I'm just using one here. Put the rubber spacer on. Put the cap back on and then screw it back on. Alternatively, you can use your own M4 bolt and 2 nuts. That's what I did. I like this method because you can take the bell on and off without using a screwdriver. Just make sure you do the nuts up tight. Make sure the cap isn't touching the bell. If it is, just add another spacer. And that's basically it.